Hello everyone, I am Natasha. Today I am drawing wheel on the bus. First I am drawing bus roof. Now I am drawing bus body. Now I am drawing bus windows. Let's draw the bus with me. Now I am drawing bus wheel with the help of circle. Now I am drawing bus lower body. Now I am drawing bus silencer. Wow! Look at the silencer. Bus has been start. Now I am drawing bus front light and tail light. Now I am drawing bus driver. Yay! Bus driver is watching our drawing. Now I am writing the text "Good bus" on bus body. Wow! It is looking so beautiful. Now I am drawing city road. Now I am drawing broken white line on road. Now I am drawing a tree. Bus wheel is rotating now. Now let's paint the bus with me. First I am using yellow color for bus upper body. Now I am using brown color for bus lower body and tree lower part. Now I am using sky blue color for bus window. Now I am using black, brown, green and blue color for bus driver. Now I am using green color for tree upper part. Now I am using grey color for road. Now I am using sky blue color sketch and orange color sketch for background. Wow! This drawing is looking so beautiful. Please like and subscribe my channel. See you on next video. Bye bye.